everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here again, Chigirl natural remedies. So if today is the first time of stopping by, you are highly welcome, guys. In this recipe I'm gonna share with you guys is a recipe you cannot go wrong with. This recipe works so well. If you just want to keep in shape and reduce that belly fat, just keep on watching. But don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved one. Just click on that red button down below and turn on the notification to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Without wasting much of your time, let's just get into the video. Once again, the first thing I need in this recipe is my cup. Just easy recipe, guys, just easy recipe, okay, very easy and more effective. So this is my cup and I'll add hot water. You can see it's hot. Then the next I'm gonna add here is my ginger, my powdered ginger. I'll just add 1 teaspoon of powdered ginger. I'll just turn everything together to mix it. If you don't have powdered ginger, you can go ahead and use your fresh ginger. Just graze and add it straight to the water, okay? So we need here is our lemon. Like I have my half lemon. What I need, just 2 tablespoons of lemon. One. So these 2 tablespoons of lemon. So the next thing we need here is our apple cider vinegar. I'll add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. So I'll mix everything together. Remember, this is bedtime drink. You want to go to bed, that's what you're gonna drink before going to bed. When you wake up in the morning, you're gonna put everything out. You will see it will just take you straight to the restroom. You just put everything out and just, you know, it will flatten your tummy and just keep in shape. So the another thing we need here is our honey. So I'll add 1 teaspoon of honey. Then I'll mix everything together. I'll make sure it's well combined. This is what you need to take away that belly fat and just keep it shape. This remedy, this drink, gonna melt down that belly fat, that stubborn belly fat, and just keep you in shape. Drink this tea while it's still hot. You know how you drink your tea, you don't allow your tea to cool down before you drink your tea. You know, when you are drinking your tea, don't allow it to cool down. Exactly what I do, just don't allow it to just cool down. Drink it while it's still hot. The way you can be able to consume it, as hot as you can be able to consume it, you are good to go. When you wake up in the morning, you're gonna pull everything out, all the bacteria, you just pull it out and just smell down that belly fat. Drink this for 7 good days and you're gonna see a maximum results. So guys, here comes the end of the video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved. Just click on that button down below and turn on the to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye bye guys, see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.